Today we're going to reveal 5 hidden benefits of some of my favorite American Express products to help you maximize the cashback and benefits that you get out of these credit cards. What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So we've covered the many features of some of the most popular American Express credit cards on this channel, but there's a lot of hidden features and benefits that your average user just doesn't know about. The first of which is the ability to 3x your credit limits almost instantaneously with a majority of American Express credit cards. Now, obviously, this is not going to apply to American Express charge cards like the Amex Platinum or Amex Gold cards, since technically those don't have a hard credit limit. However, with pretty much every other American Express credit card, you will be given a hard credit limit when you are approved, and as long as your account has been open for 60 days or more, you are able to request a credit limit increase right through the website, and 99% of the time, you will automatically be approved for that 3x credit limit. That means that if right now you have a credit limit of $10,000, then you can instantly get that increased to $30,000. And beyond just having the ability to spend more money on your card and earn more benefits, the bigger benefit here, as we've talked about in many previous videos, is by increasing your credit limits and keeping your spending the same, you are actually improving your credit utilization, which is really good for your credit score. Plus, of course, there's just something nicer about having a higher credit limit. Not that that really matters. All right, the second benefit that I frequently use is pooling my American Express points together with family members. Now, I want to be clear that this one does involve a bit of a workaround, since American Express does not actually offer the ability to send points directly to a family member. For example, with Chase credit cards, if I had 100,000 points and my wife had 50,000 points, then she would be able to just send me her 50,000 points, and we could then use that full balance together to book travel together. But unfortunately, American Express does not offer that, at least at the time of recording this video. However, what you are able to do is transfer those points to loyalty transfer partners of authorized users, meaning I could take my points and transfer them to Hilton Honors, just as an example, and my wife, who is an authorized user, could do the same, and then we're essentially pooling those points together while maximizing the value. Although I wouldn't recommend transferring to a hotel partner because that's not actually the best way to maximize value, but that's the topic for a whole nother video. Now, one thing you do need to keep in mind with this particular workaround is that some Amex credit cards, specifically the Platinum card, for example, charge some pretty ridiculous annual fees for authorized users, which in the case of the Platinum card is $175 per year per user, on top of the nearly $700 that card costs for the primary card holder. Other American Express products don't charge for authorized users. However, if you do have the Platinum card, there is actually a workaround for this issue as well. And that would be to open the American Express everyday accounts instead, and that has the same transfer partners and all of the point systems and everything that the Platinum card has, and the only difference is that it is free to add authorized users, plus that card has no annual fee. So you yourself could have your American Express Platinum card and keep that open because it does have some awesome travel benefits, but you could then also go ahead and open the American Express Everyday card, meaning all of those points for both of those cards are tied to the same American Express account. And then you could go ahead and add an authorized user to your Everyday card and therefore be able to pool points together without them having to pay an annual fee for adding an authorized user. And while we're talking about the American Express Everyday card, my third hidden hack for you is that you can actually use this product as what I would like to call a point dumping ground. What I mean by this is if you're looking to close some of your more expensive Amex products, like the Platinum card, which is $700 per year, well, that's totally understandable because after your first year of getting that sign-up bonus, you might find it very difficult to justify that high annual fee. But as you may know, if you close your American Express account entirely, you will lose all of those points that are in there. So what you can do instead is open the American Express Everyday card, which again has no annual fee, and essentially essentially keep those points alive and then go ahead and close the Platinum card or maybe some other expensive credit card from Amex, and therefore you can save yourself hundreds and hundreds of dollars per year by not having to pay that annual fee anymore, but still get to keep and use and transfer those points that you worked so hard to earn. All right, we've got 2 hidden hacks left, the last of which I use all the time to earn an insane amount of points. But before we get to that, the 4th benefit is actually earning exclusive welcome offers through a website called Resy. Now, there are a ton of different websites where you can get exclusive offers and earn bonus cash back and reap a ton of additional benefits out of your American Express products. And honestly, you could probably make an entire separate video on that topic alone. But one of these sites that I have personally used is called Resy, and it's literally as simple as going to resy.com, selecting exclusive US offers for Amex in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and then from there, you've got the Platinum card offer of 125,000 points, plus 10 points per dollar at restaurants on up to $25,000 in purchases in your first 6 months. Usually the Platinum card offer is only about 100,000 points, plus you can see the Gold card offer currently stands at 75,000 points, plus 20% back as a statement credit on purchases made on restaurants worldwide on up to $250 back during your first year. And again, the Gold card sign-up bonus is usually at just around 60,000 points. This is just one of the many ways that you could get bonus welcome offers, and American Express does actually sometimes increase those welcome offers themselves. But this is how I signed up for my Gold card personally, and I highly recommend it because why not get some extra free points? All right, but the 5th and final hidden feature for American Express cards that I absolutely love and use all the time is what I like to call the grocery hack. I think we can all agree that we could all use a little bit of extra help on our grocery bill nowadays, and American Express has some great products for this. The Blue Cash Preferred, for example, which is $95 per year, currently offers you 6% cash back on up to $6,000 in purchases per year in that grocery category. And the Gold card currently offers you 4 points per dollar on US supermarket purchases on up to $25,000 in spending. So if you're looking to earn the most points possible on groceries to then transfer for free travel, then you'd probably think that on paper, the Gold card is your best option. But that's not necessarily true. Right now, the American Express Everyday Preferred card, which is the bigger brother to the regular everyday card that we talked about earlier in this video, offers you 3 points per dollar on grocery store purchases on up to $6,000 in spending each year. Obviously, that is less than the 4 points that the Gold card offers you. However, the Everyday Preferred card gives you a 50% point boost if you use your card 30 times or more each month, which means that if you're frequently using this card, you're actually looking at 4.5 points per dollar on all grocery store purchases, which beats out the Gold card. Plus, the Everyday Preferred is only $95 per year, while the Amex Gold card is $250 per year. Now, remember that the Preferred card's boost on that grocery category is only $6,000 in purchases, while the Gold card goes up to $25,000 in purchases. So you will want to look carefully at how much money you're spending on groceries, but strictly looking at the point multipliers, if you use your card 30 times or more per month, then the much less expensive Everyday Preferred is actually going to give you 4.5 points per dollar on groceries. And if you redeem that for just 2 cents per point, which is very realistic if booking higher end international travel, then that means that you're getting the equivalent of 9% cash back on grocery purchases, which is absolutely insane. So those are just 5 of my favorite hidden hacks and benefits that I frequently use, but there are tons of other hidden perks and little known upgrade hacks with Amex. So if you would like to see more of these hacks, then let me know down in the comment section. And I'd also love to know what American Express hacks you have stumbled upon that I didn't mention in this video. Be sure to check out some of my favorite financial tools using those links down below the like button as well. And as always, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.